This is the Deebot 600 from Ecovacs Robotics. They're a global innovator in robotic appliances and they're hugely popular in places like Germany. And the Deebot 600 is a great product to introduce to people who are curious for the first time about robot vacuums. It has Google Home and Alexa, a 3-stage cleaning system, and works on both carpet and hard floors. With Google Home and Alexa, you can summon your Deebot to go and do the cleaning. So, hey Google, start Deebot, or hey Google, stop Deebot, and the house is clean without you lifting a finger. And it works on both Google and Alexa. Now, in terms of cleaning, it has sweep, lift, and vacuum all in one motion, and it works across both carpet and hard floors. With hard floors, it creates a motion across the room, systematically cleaning, whereas on carpets, it does a more random approach. And in both modes, you can enable max mode, which gives you extra suction on both hard floors or carpet. Running time, about 70 to 110 minutes, depending on the mix of hard or carpet floors and the use of max mode. But people who see the Deebot in action are always surprised by the amount of dirt, dust, and debris they pick up, and when they start thinking about how much time they save not having to do the vacuuming throughout the house. The Deebot 600, Google Home and Alexa, 3-stage cleaning system, and works on both hard floors and carpet. Great for Aussie homes.